I think the scale of the models that we're able to utilize now and their capabilities are surprising, even for researchers and for practitioners such as myself. I've been in the field for the past 10 years using AI for investment purposes, and I'm truly amazed at what I'm seeing come up every day.
At least in the financial space, we often see some of these associates at very prestigious institutions doing work that can relatively easily be automated. So the kind of value play here is a cost savings play. If you can take somebody who gets paid hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, cut out, say, 40% of a workflow within the scope of the year, and there's many people in that organization doing that, that's probably a pretty good way to start thinking about a potential NLP application.
So we take the structured data and from that create sentiment scores. Some examples of the metrics we have created include net positivity, which look at how many positive words were used versus negative words during a call. Or another one is numeric transparency, which looks at the ratio of numbers to words used on a call, where a higher usage of numbers is seen to be more transparent.
One of the things we find very interesting is this concept of semantic search, or we use the word research in this case. So what this does is it allows you to, instead of interacting with your data through filters like you would in a classical data application, now you can instead ask questions and use natural language to do that research, right?
We see NLP, artificial intelligence, machine learning as being really key tools that we can use for our internal operating efficiencies, but also we can use to deploy on behalf of our clients to really enable them to focus on more strategic tasks.
Eventually, we will all recognize that these are new programming paradigms that we're able to completely change the way that we interact with computers using natural language, and it's going to make us I think much more productive and happier in our jobs. I think I remember being a junior investment banker back in the 90s, and I know that GPT style technologies can do a lot of the work I used to do back then, and that's not a bad thing.